Okay, we're here today with big fish. You can pretty much see them. You see those little black shadows. And it's Anaya.
Hello.
And it's me, Trent. We're just fishing for whatever bites, I guess.
We just started. We got
we haven't even put our one line in yet, so you guys should be lucky today. You get to see something.
Something big.
Okay, we're gonna pause and we'll be back when we have something on. Bye. Just have I think it's a little bluegill. Yep, just a little bluegill.
Peace.
We'll probably leave the camera on because this didn't took less than a minute.
See, took less than a minute. Did you see that? Just chuck it back in there.
There you go. That's what we caught so far.
It was really easy.
Okay, we're just gonna have this guy hold it for a minute and watch how fast they bite quick. You can see big fish in there, Naya.
I know, right?
Okay, put it right there. Oh, missed it.
Hope you missed it.
Oh, did you see that? See that? I had it. Okay, I had it.
Okay, now, are you gonna do it?
Yeah,
It's on catch.
I'm gonna cast one more time and then it's gonna be Naya's turn to try and catch something. Okay, he hasn't even put a line in the water yet, so.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna cast it, but it didn't go anywhere.
Yeah. There we go. This is a teeny one.
Chub, I think.
Yeah.
Isn't that chub?
No, it's just a little perch, I guess. Yeah, just a little perch.
Looks beast.
Okay, you want to just pause that? We're just gonna pause and just catch a few little ones.
Okay.
If it feels like a big one, we'll turn on the camera.
Okay, so see you later.
Okay, guys, I just cast in on a good spot and I'm getting a bite right now. Oh. This is the long one, so yeah, we're just gonna leave because.
Yeah, we'll put it back on when we get a big one.
Bigger one.
So.
Okay, guys, we just got a big fish on. If you can see him, he's right there, and he's big. And on this little tiny pole, we caught him. Look at that thing. Where'd he go? There he is. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. We'll come back because I have to get this thing because we only have 2 people. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys, sorry we lost him, but hopefully we'll be able to catch a bigger one.
Hey, get a hook on.
Or catch one. Okay, bye.
Dude, something happened.
Video picture. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Here we go, guys. Let's just catch one quick. Just that little one, but I've been catching a lot of bluegill.
Tons, actually. Okay, so.
Let me take this off and let me catch a bluegill quick. Or try.
Not bluegill. Come on, you need to be cameraman sometime. I don't cast.
Okay, here we go. Catch bluegill. No, I don't want to. Just one bluegill. Just one bluegill. Okay, guys. Okay. Look at this. Can you see my hook? Dude? Bare hook, right?
Yeah.
Bare hook.
Dude, is that illegal?
Yeah.
Is it illegal? Okay. I'm thinking around butthead.
And a stickfish. Now watch. Should I catch this stickfish? I've caught a fish with a bare hook. Literally.
I was about to get that big fish, but oh yeah, and we saw a turtle over there. See that? It was over there.
There. Oh, I missed it.
And he missed it.
Come on, fish.
Here.
No, I need to get this in bare hook. now.
One more fish. I don't care what it is. 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 I don't care
Okay, guys. I'm gonna videotape him for a while. He's not really catching anything. He's trying to go for those big ones. Those big ones. So he just cast in like a really good spot. Probably already getting a bite for a little one, but yeah. Catching anything, dude?
Yeah, I'm getting some nibbles. Back in. I got a nibble. Anything big.
Okay, you're gonna see a little bit of like trees and stuff for a minute. I'm gonna get a worm on. See if I can catch something while I'm videotaping here.
Oh, that's good.
Good spot? Good spot.
Really good
spot.
Getting one.
Big one?
Yes.
You really got him?
Yes.
Big one?
Oh, got away.
Oh, he's right there too. I'm gonna catch him.
We're going for the big one, you guys, so
Yep.
I'm gonna catch him. Oh, I see you guys.
No, I don't want one of you little stinkers.
I don't eat one of you.
Sorry guys. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. I just got a striped bass on. And see him just like
right up.
shoot him
Oh,
across.
that's big.
Just like I'm gonna reel it in.
That looks cool.
Oh,
Whoa. I've never touched a fish in my life.
you have.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, you have.
No, I haven't.
Freaking liar.
No, I haven't. Actually, I'm not joking.
I got a striped bass. Not
What?
bad. Okay, we'll be back.
Not bad. I mean,
Okay, guys, I got a carp on right now. Here, you hold it and videotape it quick. You can see him. He's not very big. Yep. Just a small one. I have a lot bigger ones than that.
why is it all blurry?
What? It's all blurry?
Dirt.
Yeah. There he is. There he goes.
Should chuck him at a wall.
Oh, yeah.
Here. Well, we'll be right back. Okay, so we're here back. He's about to catch a really big one. Dude, it's still blurry.
Here. It's this one.
Oh, now it's better. It says keep still. Get anything?
Nope. I just moved. They all just moved. Just left mine behind. So, yeah, they're not interested.
So we'll be right back.